refrigerator, icebox, freezer compartment, however you want to identify it. That little chirping back there. Once you hear that little chirping, go beneath here and turn this down. I just did this a little bit ago because what that's going to, not all the way off, but turn it down. That'll set the defrost time around a little bit longer, and then that chirping should go away after 2 days. It's ice buildup and the fan blades are hitting it.